Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about multiple streams of income affiliate marketing, give you some ideas on how to get started, to get you brainstorming, to think about how you can implement it in whatever it is that you're trying to accomplish. If you want more content on affiliate marketing and getting education online to build your business and also reviewing our favorite products that'll help us do it, make sure to grab the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. What's going on, guys? It's Kevin J. Pino. In this video, we're going to talk about multiple streams of income affiliate marketing. Can you do it? How do you create multiple streams of income? Well, think of it this way. This big old mountain, all right? And this is all snow. And as that snow melts, it comes down and makes a little pool of money, right? Consider that your day job. With affiliate marketing, you can take another stream of income, like the Amazon Associates program, and make a small amount of money every now and again promoting it on your YouTube channel. Now, you can also expand on that because you don't need to just promote Amazon Associates. Depending on what your niche is, you can promote products, services, residual income services that pay you on a monthly basis, stuff that pays you a higher income. Let's say you needed a sales funnel software. You can make a residual income. Some say about, I think it's like 40% commission off of that. They're like, say $100. That's $40, okay? Let's say someone's building their business and needs that. You put that into your stream, and they need to pay that every single month because their business is around it. But they also need a autoresponder, some way to get in touch with people to email. You can make a commission off of that on the same business into your pool of money. So there's three: Amazon Associates, email autoresponders, your sales funnel software. But you can keep actually going deeper if you need educational trainings into you could send that down your funnel and into your little pool of money. Educational trainings can be like Udemy, anything along those lines. You can promote actual products and services from bigger companies. You can do custom business trainings. It could be subscription plans that are like $30 a month. You could do like a 6-month plan that's like $150 a month. I know there's an affiliate marketing program there on ClickBank that does that. You could also do high-end events that pay up to $10,000 a month. Occasionally you can get one of those flowing in. It's absolutely possible to create multiple streams of income. This is just if you're doing it off of YouTube and having someone click your link. If you have a blog, you can create links to click through for that. You obviously have your YouTube channel, but your social media can do that. With the Amazon affiliate program, you've got IG, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Those are the three big ones, right? You could be marketing your traffic to those three different audiences, and creating income off of all of those. And there's a new platform, TikTok, that's growing. You could be driving traffic to these sites, which are driving them back to an offer. There's multiple ways to generate money by using affiliate marketing. You've got your softwares, you've got your trainings, subscriptions, many different ways. You can drive all of them from your different social media sites and collect money from them. You can make $50 off of this thing, 50 cents off of this thing, $500 off of this thing, $1 off of that thing. And some of them tie together. The idea is to promote a business model or whatever your niche is. I have so much stuff here. You want everything working together. You want your ideal customer to need whatever he's doing, whatever his goal is, it's going to need this offer from you, and this offer, and then this offer, and then this offer. That could be software, 2 types of software, check. That could be training. Sorry for this, I'm writing with my finger. Take notes. All right, so you got your 2 softwares. It could be training. It could be traffic, paid traffic coming in. It could be just regular old products, books, video, tools. So think about whatever it is in your niche, and think about your ideal customer, and think about everything they actually need to accomplish what their goals are, and then do your research on finding all of the products that you could promote to them that they're going to need for all of them. You could be the affiliate that promotes all of them and create an income source off of every single one of these different things from just one client, one customer, one person. And then find a lot of people. To do that best, you need to get an education. Down in the description below, there'll be a link to get training to learn how to put this system together and implement it and start applying it to your business, to your YouTube channel, to whatever it is you're trying to do to create multiple streams of income affiliate marketing. It's absolutely possible. Go down there, put in your email. I'll introduce you to my mentor, and he'll show you how to get started on that. And the training is only $7.